Hello, my brother, can you hear me now? Oh, excusez-moi, ke le betse da. Ke na le mathata a mangata jwale. O bona mfanola wa
Okay. Alright, I want to see something first. This is the. Let's see if it can project. Okay, it doesn't. Cancel. No, I don't want it to move. Okay. I'm talking to myself. It's a biso. Future me. Let's go. So I'm focusing on VIX 101S. This is the weekly time frame. Let me clear first. Okay. It broke out the range which we are consolidating in, and as you can see, there's two we are consolidating right here. Then we manipulated right here, and I'd say this is distribution. Okay, this takes us back to the. Okay, let me go to my note. Okay, I don't think this is it. Remember, okay, this is not it. Let me do a new one. The cover. This will take us to the what if MD accumulation M what am I saying? Accumulation manipulation, and as I said before, distribution. Okay, let's switch the page so it's more like let me use the black one for accumulation. Okay, arranging, then this one we manipulate, we distribute. So as you can see, we are arranging here, then this is our distribution, from ranging to distribution. So yeah, let me save this, and as you can see right over here, we are doing just that. We accumulated, manipulated, and we are distributing. So let me show you that. Okay, here we have This is our order. Then I like this new edit online. I like this new edit. Stop. Okay. Then we came back to the order block. As you can see, this is our weekly structure. So let me delete this because I wanna be you. This one I'm done. That's why I'm not deleting it. Let's switch to the daily and let's see the daily structure. Okay, on the daily, I can say we are on an uptrend, so my focus will be right from this area. Black. I'm doing black. Let me put it here. Okay, 2. This is the structure I'm focusing on. And before I go here, let's go to that weekly. The weekly first. On the manipulation, as you can see, we created this trendline liquidity, which we had to collect eventually, which is giving the trendline traders an opportunity to enter right over here. The trendline traders entered right here, going up with it. So yeah, this is how it's gonna be. We made this breakout structure. We made that breakout structure. Okay, let me start. We wiped right over here. We made this market structure shift, and I want to show you something again, but this time on the daily time frame. And as you can see, we made this order block, meaning some other time we're gonna come and collect. And if you look here, let me take out there. Look here, we were ranging, manipulating, distribution. Let's go to the 4-hour. Maybe we can see it clearly there. I'll come back to the daily time frame. It's clearly seen. So as you can see right over here, the AMD displays itself once again. We have this major breakout structure, which created this order block, but we didn't reach the order block. See what I mean when we say we're gonna come back to this area. Okay, this is it. Let's go back to the daily and continue with our analysis from here. As you can see, we are on an uptrend. Don't know if I can take a screenshot while recording. Okay, as you can see right here, let me use a black color. Up, only up, we never came back again. As you can see, we kept breaking structure, and remember, this is the daily time frame, so we are on an uptrend. This area is an uptrend, so we are on that uptrend. So right over here, I don't think we created an AMD here. Let me just, yes, we were ranging, manipulated. Wow, we caught the the early buyers here and the early sellers. The early sellers here, their entry were here, mostly those who trade support and resistance were caught right around this area. As you can see, respected, we went down, respected, up, and here we got those who trade support and resistance, and right here, even though some won't agree with me now, but this is the truth. I'm going to tell you the truth. Again, as you can see right here, we wiped. The reason I'm saying this is a wipe is because of this double candlestick. We broke out and broke in same time. We didn't waste time, meaning this is a valid setup for ICG traders or SMC traders. I'm not gonna lie, this was a valid one. Yes, some but not everyone. Okay, let me just do this. The order block is somewhere here, and right above here it's liquidity, right? Some won't agree with me, some will, but this is the truth. This is the liquidity, and this is another liquidity they believed it was gonna be collected. I'm not saying it was not collected, it is collected, but even I know I was gonna fall for the setup. As you can see, we never respected it. We broke up, retested, continued going on. Okay, now my focus on the 4 hour. We are moving from that one to this one. Let me delete this. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Did not do much, and as you can see right here, we have a wipe. Okay, this one I'm going, my bad. So I have to edit it to be perfect. We have that wipe. And after that wipe, we have, to some this is a wipe, but it's actually a breakout structure right here. A market structure shift, I mean. And in the 30 minutes or the 15, you'll see it properly. And as you can see, our focus is right around this range, from this range. Remember, consolidating, we market, consolidating, and we broke out right here, came back, retested this mid pivot. But remember guys, every mid pivot has liquidity right below it. Every mid pivot has liquidity right below it. So this has to be collected, every single piece of this. So let's go to the 30 minutes. Now it's clear. Now it's clear. As you can see right here, if you want to aggregate this one, we broke right over here. We broke structure, made a market structure shift right here. We came back to break that low right here in the 30 minutes. You can see this is it. And remember what I said, AMD. Let me show you. You guys, I'm feeling to take a screenshot. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying guys, because I'm talking to myself. Okay, this is it. Consolidation, manipulation, breakout, distribution. You see that? Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, continuing. Like I said, every mid pivot has liquidity right below or above it. So look at this one. It created a weak high, which is right around there, right below the 5 gap. I'm not going to mark the 5 gap, but you can see it's right below it. So let's go to the 50. On the 15-minute time frame, if you look here, we have a doji candlestick. Is it a ham? It's not a doji, it's a ham. It's a bearish hammer. I learned this while I was starting to trade. A bearish hammer means sellers are having control of the market, and as you can see, after that hammer, we had this downwards movement. And remember that mid pivot I showed you, and I said they all have liquidity right below it. As you can see here, we have this trend line liquidity, and I want to go to the 5 minutes because I want to see clearly, but doesn't seem I'll be seeing anything. Okay, this will only, okay, there's not enough liquidity for me to enter a buy here, at least if there was a fairly gap, guys. So I'll be focusing on the selling pressure. I'll be focusing on selling, and I won't be using the 15-minute because as you can see, this we made an immediate rebalance right over here, meaning this area we don't have much liquidity. Yes, we might return to it, but that's not my focus. And we do have this long wick right over here, but as I said, that's not my focus. So I'll be selling from the 30 minutes order block. Let me put it here, and like I said before, I'll be taking out my fib tool. I don't open one trade but two. We take it from the top of the week to the downside movement. Wait, before we started consolidating, so we reached the 50% right over here. As you can see, we reached it. That's our 50% debrigo structure. So I'll be targeting 50% of that whole move and this whole move, which is right over here. And let's open another. I'll be opening 3 here to target this low, and the other one to target the trend line liquidity, bottom of the trend line liquidity. And now I'll be putting our stop losses right above. Wanna risk at least $15. $15. Right here, right there. Let me put stop loss first because I don't want to suffer. Right there, and the last one right here. So our total targets are 53 plus 25 plus 14. 53 plus 25 is 75. 78 plus 14, 90, 100, $102 is our target on this trade. But remember, if we are satisfied with the profit, we are closing. So yeah, it's your boy Traders Foundation. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more. Okay guys, I think I made this video late, really late. We hit our first TP. So as we made our first TP 14 USD, I shifted our stop loss to break even. So now we are targeting the 25, but as I was viewing the weekly, guys, I really, yes, we might reverse until here, but I don't think I'm willing to be holding until then. Not willing to be holding until then. Let's see the daily, because let's see. Let me show you something. Where can I go back? I wanna go here. Oh, it's still loading. Let me clear it. Because if you look at the daily, guys, right over here, right around my stop loss, let me just put it like this. There's an order block, but it was mitigated, yes, but if you view it properly, you would see that even though it was mitigated, the fair value gap was filled. So yes, there's a possibility that we turn around and fill the fair value gap, continue going up or reversing. So I'm planning to shift my TP, as you can see right over here. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'll show you. So on the 4 hour, let's go back to that zone right again. On the 4 hour, we taking this order block. You see what I mean, guys? So yes, it was a good trade, but not one we can bet with, because we were trading this liquidity high. We are trading this liquidity, this week high. Okay, let me just put it on our entry. Yeah, our entry. So if you look carefully, you would see we were targeting. We were trading. Where's that? Okay, here I am. We were targeting right over here. And we are not targeting. We were trading the week high. So that's not how we usually trade, but because it's from a higher time frame, it was better. It was a good trade, yes, but holding on to this is just risky. I really don't think we're gonna reach this point, which is 53 USD. I highly doubt that we're gonna reach there. So I'll be moving my TP to the 50% of the zone. Or my TP, meaning I'll be targeting $50. Only $50. 25, 25. You can see $50. So yeah, that's all. I'll be sharing the video right after this trade. So boy, Traders Foundation, that's all. For more, guys, don't forget that.
Born van nula wa M4 ita ove kamo next door e mona jola neta ena ye mone ya gejit kadi picha SS ngoro ta wuti chicken ya. Would I travel? I travel. Vedura was I travel?